Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to set custom ringtones in Yureka. And this is not so difficult as you are thinking that you is not providing such system to direct set your ringtones from your system sounds. So nothing to worry about. So at first you have to download the Walkman app from any Google server. Then open the Walkman and after opening you can search the albums and whatever you have recorded your songs and just click up on any of the song, then set ringtone. Yes, your ringtone is successfully set. Thank you friends, see you then, bye.